today we are going to practice drawing our place value family that we learned about. I'm so excited. I really like being able to draw. So I'm going to give you a second to pause the video. You need to get your whiteboard and your dry erase marker, or if you don't have a whiteboard, then get a piece of paper or multiple pieces of paper because we are going to do a few different drawings today. Go ahead and pause the video until you have all of your supplies. Okay, so today for drawing, we're just going to focus on the babies and the big brothers. So when we draw our chart today, I'm just going to draw a line and a line up the middle. We're only going to have 2 bedrooms. And if you would like to label it, you can. This side is the babies or the ones. And this side is the tens or the big brother. And if you want to give yourself a little, almost like a cheat sheet so you can remember, I can do 1 square there for the babies. And then remember, the big brother over here is a big 10 stick. So he's nice and tall. The babies are short. All right. So I'm going to tell you how many 1s and 10s to draw, and then we're going to try and figure out what number that is. It's almost like a riddle. Are you ready? Please draw 3 babies or 3 1s. And we always draw squares. So go nice and slow because it needs to be nice and neat. And when you draw your squares, they need to be in a row. We usually do rows of 5. We don't need to have 5 just yet because we're only doing 3. But we always do rows. So 3 babies, and we're going to do 4 10 sticks or 4 big brothers. Now, you could do your 10 stick nice and long and skinny, and you could try to put all of the blocks inside. But what I usually do is I just do a big long 10 stick, and I know how many blocks are in there. Do you? I know that there's 10 blocks inside of there. So when I count this, I know that this has actually 10 blocks all the way up. So I'm not going to count this as 1. That's a 10. Okay? How many 10 sticks did I say? I said 4 10 sticks. So this is 1, 2, 3. That has 10 in it. And this one is number 4. And I put them all in a nice, neat row. And notice how all my 10 sticks, they're super tall. Remember, big brother, he's very tall. And they're all the same size. I don't have some 10 sticks that are tall and some 10 sticks that are short. They're all the same size. So we have 1, 2, 3 1s and 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks. What number does this make? Well, let's count it and we write it underneath. Sometimes I like to put a cool box down here for my answer. Like maybe I'll even put it in a different color. This is my answer box. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3 babies. So I'm going to write 3 over here because it's the baby side. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 big brothers. So I'm going to write a 4 over here because it's the big brother side. What number did we make? Well, just like we do at calendar, we can say, repeat after me. Repeat after me. 4 10 sticks. And you say 4 10 sticks. And 3 1s. Say, and 3 1s. Makes the number 43. We made the number 43. Nice job, friends. Hopefully you're following along with me. So we're going to erase all this again, and we'll try another one. So if you are on your paper, you will want to just get a new paper, or maybe go to a different spot. Okay. I don't know why those dots aren't erasing, so we'll just have to ignore them. All right. Here we go. Let's make our bedroom again. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker this time. We're only doing 10s and 1s, so you only need the 2 bedrooms. Remember, this side is a T for 10s, and if you would like to draw 10 sticks, you can remember he's super tall and skinny. He's worth 10. He has 10 blocks inside. And this side's the baby's room. Remember, that's just one little block. Because remember, the monster's over here. So the big brother protects the baby from the monster. All right, here we go, friends. Right, this time, I would like us all to draw 6 ones. So let's start with that. 6 ones. Now, remember, they need to be nice and neat. They should not be touching each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second. We're only going to do rows of 5, so we need to start a new row to do number 6. So please draw your ones just like this. I'm going to go back and double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I have 6 ones. They're nice and short because they're babies. You don't want your babies looking way too tall. None of them are touching each other. 6 babies. And today, my friends, we are going to draw 1 10 stick. 1 10 stick. Remember, the 10 sticks go on this side and they're super tall. How many blocks are in a 10 stick? 10. 1 10 stick. What number did we make? Well, let's see. Let's count our babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 babies and 1 10 stick. What's the number? 16. Nice job, friends. Thanks for joining me today. I know you will be a super expert at calendar when we have to draw and talk about 10s and 1s.